Karibhai Regional Committee kebakmi agakam ya penbet uput usam hapo kejenglam usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela uba Preston Tensong kumu chairman kelada penkrek akakai pot bat kaap mentah satang ban IT no au Menteri Rang Bak Kejela hadin kejengwan pai jong u syakene Kejela. Habayakran bakilat patai kubor uba Preston Tensong ulong baka komiti kam dan kam show kejeng panpor nrek kaap mentah satang kejengwan pai jong Menteri Rang Bak banyo IT no akakai pot. Usembut Menteri Rang Bak ulah pentip ekani hadian kejing yalang bat kebor peniat distrik Karibhai bat kidikot jangka Regional Committee kabalong ha ka arterik uno opera. Ha bekentat banetho eki kejing syam jangka komiti usembut Menteri Rang Bak ulah penpau bo umlak satya banetho ekani hendrai hadian beladap IT ha Menteri Rang Bak onsa pentip pat ba yaka. La ban kedau hang ni baka Regional Committee jangka West Khasi Hills kala pendep ekakai pot bat up satang ban IT no kat baka East Gentle Hills Regional Committee kala panpor hadok ka khatsan terik uno opera ban pendep yakakam. Ka jela Asam bat Meghalaya kila thawi kini ki Regional Committee ban penbet no iki hendreu tili kijaka ki baduna ha kejing kenat bat kini kijaka ki kenthop ekasnong Tarabari Gizang bat Hahim ha West Khasi Hills, Ratachera ha East Gentle Hills, bat Bokla Para, bat Khana Para Pilangkata ha Ribhoi.
See, there is no point fighting over there. When we went there, let me just tell you one thing. Our principle is very clear. Not necessarily in terms of voice vote, not necessarily in terms of raising hands, that it is finalized, yes, this is Meghalaya, this is Assam. Because ultimately, see, geographically, historically, and thirdly is even administratively, we need to take all this into consideration. So therefore, we don't talk much. We are there. I am from the Meghalaya state. Why should I, unnecessarily show my immaturity by saying, oh, don't talk, or let them talk. So, I mean, there's no harm. Some people, they create, they trying to make an issue on this. But I'm just telling you, there is no issue at all, because ultimately both the chief ministers will sit down and according to the report to be submitted from Assam side and then from Meghalaya side, they will sit down again and then work out the modality how to go about it. The first phase we decided in the level of both the chief ministers that we will inspect and we will zero down up to 6 area of differences. So this is the first phase, and these 6 areas of differences falls under Ribhoi district and then West Khasi Hills district and also Gentle Hills district. So another 6 again. Once this solution is met, then we will go for the second phase. And I am very hopeful because both the chief ministers, they are very, very open-minded, and both of them also, they said we really wanted to solve this problem once and for all, and this is for the interest of both the people of Meghalaya and also the people of Assam. So I am very sure. I don't know how many out of 6, how many areas we can resolve it, but I am very, very sure at least few areas will be able to resolve in the level of both the chief ministers.
Halor kejengdawa penterekam mek inaline permit ha Kejela. Usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela ulah pentip bak negakam kadang sakut mentah ha kejeng bisyar jong ke Sorkar Pedeng. Bat ka boru ke syong ha ke Sorkar Pedeng ban Shimrai la kayahap na em ban penterekam mek nekaan ha kene Kejela. Ulah ong bak Sorkar Jela keladap ha ya ke resolution jong yang dorbar tauan ha ke senam arhajar khat kendai. Bat mentah ke Sorkar kan om syong that ban bot den kene kakam tak haduk ban dio ya ke jubab na Delhi.
See, as far as ILP is concerned, now this issue is lying completely with the government of India. They need to only decide whether ILP is appropriate or no. But from the government side, from the state government, since we already sent the resolution, we already passed in the house, we will follow it up. ILP issue till the end. That we keep following it up, and we will not sleep and we will not take rest. We will still pursue this particular resolution which was already unanimously passed in the House. We will not, as I said to you, we will not just stop like that, but we will make sure that this resolution is passed through.
Halor ke jeng dawa ke bami menta neki kenhun sang bhalang ke jela ban penduk no ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act uba Preston Tunsong ulong ba ke jeng dawa ke de ke bapher bha naba ke ne ke de ke an ke baladon nrei ke jeng dawa ban penduk no kalami tang namar ke jeng penduk no ke Sarkar Pedang ya ke Farmers Act. Ulong baladapai ke jela Meghalaya ke Citizenship Amendment Act kam syam natre kam satya ha ke jela lait no tang ha ke European Ward Bat ke Sarkar jela kelada bo ke jengkerpat akmat Menteri Korbari ke Sarkar Pedang ba ke Sarkar India kan pelatno ke Meghalaya berokowei ya ke ba ke Sarkar India kadang bishar. Ulong balada ke Sarkar India kelarai ban om penteri kamsyo ha Meghalaya ke Citizenship Amendment Act kan om dan jeng mutsyo ya kan ke jela.
Because now this act is already in place. Because the other day I saw the statement made by Agatha, being the MP from Meghalaya. I think this issue came out just because of their repealing of the Farmers Act. Then again now they said they wanted that the central government again repeal even the CEA. So it's a different situation altogether. Because see, as far as Meghalaya is concerned, let me just tell you one thing. CEA is not implemented at all. We are already exempted, except in the European world. Okay, in the European world. In fact, that time we already requested Home Minister, Union Home Minister, to exempt the entire area of Meghalaya. So therefore, if the government of India consider this request, this petition made by the state government, so CAA is totally irrelevant if you talk about it at this situation.